What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this classic class of 1974 Honda XL70 project that we've been working on here for several months. I've told you she's done, and there she is. Hopefully some of you have been watching this video series on this. If you haven't, go back. Please watch all the other videos so you can kind of see how we got to where we are today. But it's done. In fact, it's so done that last month my dad and I took it to a pretty large event, and he rode it around the grounds all day long with no issues. It's ready to go. You know, with that being said, let me do my usual and take you in for a close-up look at what we've done to it. All right, guys, got you in here for this one last close look at this thing. She's done. If you've been following along with the video series, you've probably got a good idea of just how far we've came. As you can see, we've done quite a bit of refurbishment up here in the handlebar and control area. You see that gas tank, original patina still. That gas tank, as you know, was a large undertaking. Went ahead and polished the lower front fork tubes there, just because as you can see, and you hopefully saw in the video series, we've done quite a bit of touch-up painting on the frame and various other black parts. This side cover here, as I've mentioned before, is actually not the correct cover. Actually, it's a early silver tag CT70 cover. It's worth a good chunk of change to someone who's into that. There's that new carburetor we put on there. New seat, new rear shocks, new rear tail light, and we never did find a suitable muffler in the used category, so went ahead and pulled the trigger on that nice aftermarket reproduction. I don't think it's going to get much better than that. As you can see, the clutch side cover here, it's been repainted as well. Overall, I'd say it turned out as nice as it could, considering what we started with. You see that nice orange patina paint on the fenders, tank, side covers, rear fender. Rear fender was quite crusty, but we went ahead and left her that way. All right, one more thing's probably worth pointing out here. This bike is for sale. I'm located in northern Alabama in the Huntsville area. If anyone is interested, drop me an email or a note in the comments. I'd be happy to pass this along to someone. Believe me, I've got plenty of other bikes in the garage to work on and ride. And my goal wasn't really to build this to keep it anyway. It was just to get it back on the road so someone could enjoy it. Speaking of getting back on the road, maybe we ought to try to see if this thing will start. She's cold, full disclosure, so I'm going to see if we can get a first kick start out of it. See there, cold. I'll give her a little bit of choke. Well, I'm going to go ahead and let her warm up, and let's go for a little cruise. right, guys, that about wraps this one up. Hope you enjoyed that quick little cruise we went on. As I said, the bike's for sale. If you're interested, get in touch with me. If not, it'll just go in the garage with the rest of them and get ridden every couple of weeks. With that being said, if you like what you're seeing here, please make sure you subscribe, pass the word on to your friends, and don't forget to go back and watch the rest of this video series. Thanks for watching.